Welcome to Ananta Polyrubb Private Limited, established in the year 2012 at Delhi. Under the supervision and leadership of Mr. Vinay Gupta, we have grown at a steady pace without ever having to compromise on the product and service quality. Through our approachable and client-friendly approach, we have made a mark among our client base. Our focus on quality and client satisfaction has helped us garner a loyal client base. Our streamlined supply and trade network help us provide our high-quality products to clients in a timely manner as per their mentioned specifications and requirements. Our products are highly demanded owing to their features such as rust resistance, abrasion resistance, and durability. Each and every product of ours is stringently tested by professional auditors prior to dispatch. Bulk quantities of products are stocked in our spacious warehouse facility. These facilities easy catering of urgent and bulk orders that are often furnished by clients in extremely short notice periods. Professional quality auditors supervise all the processes to assess their adherence to industrial quality standards. Our hassle-free shipment procedures helps us export our products to clients based abroad. Efficiency and attention to detail are highlight all our processes. These are made available to clients across the country through our excellent and streamlined supply network. These are supplied to clients based on their requirements and specifications at leading market prices. We always make sure that our products match the expectations of the clients and are supplied to them in a timely and organized manner. These are also exported to our international clients through a quick and easy export process.